Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make clips longer on the TikTok. So now you can upload longer clips on the TikTok, but how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the TikTok. Once you will search for it, here you will see update button. Simply you have to update your TikTok from here. Once you will do it, after that go back and you have to click on the TikTok application. Go to the plus icon from the main menu. Once you will do it, here you will see different options like 15, 60 or 3 minute. You can upload up to 5 minute, but 5 minute video is not available in my region. So if your region support 5 minute, you can simply select the 5 minute video from here. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.